Come with me to clean my bird aviary. So first, I take the cover off and then open it up. And there are all of our birds in here. We have budgies, cockatiels, and parakeets. I start by taking out their food bowls and cleaning them. Then I go into the seed container and scoop some seeds for each bowl and fill it up with fresh, clean seeds. We also try our best to not waste any food. We ensure our birds have clean food and no food goes to waste. So I just put the cover on top. Next is water time. So I fill up water daily after checking and looking at all of the birds with fresh, clean water. They love having fresh water every day. And you should always make sure your birds have access to plenty of fresh water. Here's what the old water looks like. You can see how gross it is. Now I'm filling up the fresh bowl again. The next thing I do after filling water is check on the quail. These guys get gum leaves because they absolutely love them. I have many birds and it is amazing to watch all of them. And now everything is done outside. All I need to do is close the door back up so no predators come in. Okay, let's check on the baby. Look who's sitting on her eggs. She's been doing such an amazing job lately. She sits on those eggs 24/7. And she even lets us touch them sometimes. Next, I check on the zebra finches inside. These birds are actually amazing. They have beautiful soft chirps, which is enjoyable to listen to. Zebra finches are a bird which get cold easily. You definitely want to keep them inside in winter. It keeps them nice and warm. Even though it's not freezing, it still makes a huge difference. Finally, I check on the young male button quail. He eats chick starter mix with bird seed. And while he does that, the incubator is keeping the other quail eggs warm. That's pretty much it. The eggs are on lockdown and I'm excited for them to hatch. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.